What's in the box? What's in the box?
Lamarr Wilson.
How you doing? Good to see you. Lamarr Wilson here. Back to another video, back to another unboxing, and I got a giveaway of something really special. Let's do that first. This is really cool. Hold on. I'm gonna talk about that because I got my Switch here too. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm really excited. Remember when I did the Chips Ahoy the video where the big chest came in and those really cool headphones from a company called V-Moda? The moment I put those on and I heard music, and then I put my beats on and I heard the beats, I got rid of those beats. Them headphones are high quality. They're like $400 something, and I'm gonna give a pair to you. So I went to their company the other day, and dude, it was first of all, I'm really thankful they gave me the headphones, but not only that, they let you customize headphones. First of all, they come in a great case. That is the case. They're white, V-Moda. They have this thing where you can customize the side of them. They have these little plates. I'm gonna have to come closer over there. Be right back. Okay, ready? What? They laser etched that on there. Laser. And I'm giving this pair away to a super, I hate saying the word fan, but whoever really likes what I do. Zoom in, focus in. Wow. Dude, that looks so good.
Oh, yeah.
That looks so good. Yeah, they're gonna love that. Like, even if you don't win these on their site, you can make your own. You can give them your own picture. Each headphone will be like your own thing. I will put a Gleam link below for these, so you can enter now and just be a few days. And worldwide, so whoever wins, wins. Let me show you the other ones I made for me. Okay, so black, L. Now first, look at that pattern. This is the metal plate, and so they laser etched L on there for me, and W. Lamarr Wilson. Lamarr Wilson. But these are super quality headphones. DJs use these. I see why they use them. I mean, that really drowns out the sound. The quality almost teared up. I've been on beats this whole time, and then I heard these. Magical. Link will be below if you want to win this. Let's talk about Sleep Tight. So, okay. Anyway, this game, I was at PAX South earlier this year, I think January, and I ran into this booth of this developer making this game, Sleep Tight. I think it was originally on Steam, or it's going to be on Steam, and now it's on Steam and the Switch. And so, huge fan of this game. It basically is one of those overhead type of games, and I liken it to like an Android Cactus, which I'm a big fan of, or like a Five Nights at Freddy's. So let's take a look at a clip.
Every parent tells their child that the monsters aren't real. But how come every kid has the same story?
So let's go ahead and open the box. What's in the box? What's in the box? This is how cool the box looks. There you go. It's not one of those boxes where you build out like you would with like a loot crate. We are Fuzzy is the company. Lamarr, thank you so much for supporting our game. It's been a labor of love to create, and we hope it brings you hours of fun and joy. This is the box art. To just give you an example of how that looks. Now, I think they told me, yeah, okay, so there's no cartridge in this one. They did give me code. I've messaged them and asked if I can give some codes away to you. So if you leave a comment, I know there's a lot of things going on. You got this giveaway with this. This is a Gleam giveaway in the description, okay? Leave a comment saying you want a Switch, you have a Switch, and you want a copy of it, and I'm just going to choose a couple of y'all. I'm not going to announce winners, and I'm just going to choose you, and then you can start playing. The game is out today. So we got the Sleep Tight shirt. Oh, Oh, okay. Sleep tight. I need to sleep tight. Did I get it on sleep last night? A little bit. Okay. This is one of those shirts that give me a couple months. What's this? Turbo Performance Joystick. Oh, okay. So I guess this is a third-party company. It makes little pads for your joystick, because I guess you're gonna be using your joystick a lot to move around. So they have some pads that is there. I've never heard of that company, but cool. Oh my God. Warning, monster inside. And hand-painted limited edition. Ooh, you know I'm a collector. They know I'm a collector. Oh, Lord have mercy. We are fuzzy. I'm stalling. Okay, what is this? Ooh, awesome. Oh my God, that is cool. Make sure you, hold on. I gotta do the beauty guru thing. You gotta hide my face. So there you go. So this is one of the monsters in the game. What is this? What are those? Oh, snap. The art of Sleep Tight. They did an art book. What the heck? Oh, wow. They really go into detail of how they made the art of the kids. Wait, see there? There was one review that said they could have sworn Pixar did this game. That's how cool it looks. All right, so this is awesome. And then here are a couple of the guns. You have a soaker there. That's a long shot. Oh, okay, cool, like a sniper rifle. Awesome. The box is really cool. Like, I don't even want to throw this away. So I'm not. I'm gonna keep it. Ow! I should have did a tutorial. Oh my, okay. Oh my God. Okay, I made it to the daytime, and now I can build the walls and stuff. Cool. That was a really cool experience. So thanks again, and listen, V-Moda, thank you again so much. If you all want to join the giveaway to get these custom Lamarr Wilson headphones, the box is listening to this. So anyway, I think it's hot. I think it's hot. So thank you all very much. Good luck to whoever wins. It is an automated giveaway, so I'm not choosing. The computer is. So keep that in mind when you try to bug me. All right. Talk to you later. Bye.
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes and how-tos, random bits, so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up the thumb. Lamarr Wilson.